Welcome to the To Be a Trader platform. Today we will look at the Compounding Estimator. This tool is accessible to all To Be a Trader members, even if you have a free subscription. What if you set a goal of earning 1 Bitcoin? How do you plan to do that, and minimize the risk to your investment? The Compounding Estimator can help you plan a strategy of how much to start trading to get to your goal. Here is an example to earn 1 Bitcoin. Projected net earning percentage per trade, 2.5%. Percentage of earning to compound, 82%. Starting trade amount, 0.0005. Click Update. If we go to the bottom, you can see that implementing this strategy can earn you 1 Bitcoin after 365 positive trades. You can play with the numbers and find the right strategy for your trading goals. Here is a second example to earn 1 Bitcoin. Projected net earning percentage per trade, 3%. Percentage of earning to compound, 60%. Starting trade amount, 0.001. Click Update. If we go to the bottom, you can see that implementing this strategy can earn you 1 Bitcoin after 359 positive trades. If we look at what that means in correlation to an actual trade, we can take a quick look at the exit calculator. If today's Bitcoin rate is $46,736, and you trade at a leverage of 5, and if you want to earn 2.5% net, then the market has to move approximately 304 points for your trade to be positive and meet your net goal of 2.5%. If you are looking to earn 3% net, then the market has to move approximately 351 points. You can go to the video library under the Learning Resources tab for more information on the Exit Calculator tool. This was a quick overview of how the Compounding Estimator works. Take the time to play with your numbers and develop your trading plan in order to achieve the results you are looking for. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.